Assalamu alaikum, Farina Siddiqui again with Coffee Talk. This morning, I again want to talk about this cannabis. I want to talk about the drugs problem that we have. Why do our kids actually tend to get drugs? I'm only talking about youth, not adults. I'm talking about youth at a very young age. They get into drugs, they get into violence, they get into sex problems, they get into relationship issues, they get into so many other things. And we are not able to help them. Why? We need to understand that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a responsibility as parents to actually help support our youth at a very young age with them when they don't know better. Are we doing our responsibility? Especially to mothers, I would like to talk about your time, how you manage your time, how you spend your time. Do you spend your time watching YouTube videos, getting Skype calls from Pakistan and everywhere? Or Facebook messaging, talking about, oh, my sisters, what are you cooking today? And who knows better how to deal with your in-laws? And who do you think loves your husband loves more, your in-laws or you? Those are the kind of useless things. You have a responsibility, a job description to nurture, to care, to cater, to support, to safeguard the emotional and physical health of your child. When they grow older, make them your friends. Don't make them as as your slaves or something. Most of the time when we talk to our kids, we talk at them, we don't talk to them. So remember, you need to talk to your children, you need to talk to your youth and help them understand that you care about their values, you care about their skills, you care about their experiences, and it's all real. You understand that it's all real. You need to help them understand that you are there no matter how bad of a mistake they made. And this is when you will support them, protect them from getting into drug problems and other relationship issues and all other problems. But you need to be able to need to be able to become that parent who is actually there to support, to monitor, to mentor, and to actually problem solve. So today's coffee talk is about being a parent, a very, very vigilant parent, being a very proactive parent. Keep writing to me, mcmninfo@gmail.com. And if you would like to check the website, mcmnet.ca. Keep writing to me with your ideas, with your solutions, with your own suggestions, and always, always welcome criticism, very constructive criticism. I'm Farina Siddiqui, your host for Morning Coffee Talk. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.